This is Rajani, yoga teacher. Today's our video about alternate breath. For the alternate breath, if you are practicing daily way, it will give you the stress relief when you are full of stress, or when you are feeling heavy head or headache or nostril blockage also. If you are practicing this pranayama, it will give you the stress relief within a second. And what is the problems you are facing, all the problems you can overcome to doing the Anulom alternate breath. To doing alternate breath. Without wasting much time, we'll start the session. Before that, you have to sit in Sukhasana, comfortable sitting. This is the Sukhasana sitting. Be in Dhyana Mudra 10 to 15 seconds. While being in Dhyana Mudra, adjust your body and try to catch your breath. Slowly make your breath slow. Bring smile on your face. Then slowly start. Before starting, I will explain how to use the hand also while practicing pranayamas. See, any hand, your comfortable hand, you can use it. The other hand should be in Dhyana Mudra. Here you have to fold the index and middle finger, and we are going to use thumb finger and ring finger. Okay. Now, take a deep inhale in right nostril. Close the right nostril, then slowly open your left nostril. Do the exhale. While doing the exhale, try to involve full entire body. Again, take a deep inhale in left nostril. Then close your left nostril. Open your right nostril slowly. Then do the exhale. This is a complete round. I will show you once again. Before showing, I will explain 1-2 points here. While doing this breath, don't move your body. You have to sit like a statue position. And also, everywhere in your body, you have to allow to relax body. Don't squeeze your neck or shoulder when you are practicing pranayama. I am going to show the next round. Again, close your left nostril. Take a deep inhale in right nostril. Keep some smile on your face while doing pranayama. After doing inhale, close your right nostril. Then slowly open your left nostril and do the exhale. Then take deep inhale in left nostril. Close your left nostril, come into the right nostril side, open nostril and do the exhale. Now round completed. Then come into the Dhyana Mudra. 2 to 3 seconds take relaxation and do the 2 breaths proper. Then again go to the practice. Again take deep inhale in right nostril. Close your right nostril, then slowly open your left nostril and do the exhale. Again take inhale in left nostril. Close your left nostril, then open right nostril and do the exhale. Now be in Dhyana Mudra 10 to 15 seconds. While being in Dhyana Mudra, try to focus inner body and also breathe. After practicing pranayama, how you are feeling, how your breath going on, just focus on your breath and inner body. And while being in Dhyana Mudra, keep some smile on your face. That is good for your face muscle also, face skin. While coming out, slowly move your hands. Release your mudra of your hands. Heat should be given your eyes and face proper, and also body. Where you want, you can give the heat. Then slowly open your eyes, look on your palm. These are the pranayama instruction. If you are doing daily way, you will get result fast. And also this pranayama, it will help entire body where you have the health problem. You can cure to doing this pranayama daily. Namaste. Please like, share and subscribe Rushee Yoga channel. And also drop a comment after practicing this pranayama, or if you have any doubt also you can ask in a comment. I will give you the ideas next video. And also many we have the pranayama videos, so go and see the video links also. Namaste.